I'm now here in Bukhara, Uzbekistan, and as you could see, I'm staying in the hostel, and this is an ancient city. As you could see, the building, it was really old one, very old. So it was really nice area, and it's the cheapest hostel here in Bukhara as well. Going out now and just to take a look the beautiful ancient city of Uzbekistan, and it was well known as World UNESCO. This is the outside of the hostel where you can relax, and we had a free breakfast as well. So it's very relaxing, and I hope I'm gonna enjoy for today.
Mundак остановите.
It was really cool. They let me inside the construction area. This is much more ruined. They're still fixing up some of the walls. So
Domingo.
yeah.
Domingo, молодец.
Okay. This is about 600 years.
600
Mosque, old mosque.
Hoca Sayın Hoca Sayın
If you're touring around about Silk Road in Central Asia, Bukhara is one part of it.
Não aparece.